everybody, Holly here from HolliDay, AnyDay, and what's Holly drinking this holiday season? Well, I thought we'd make something kind of tasty and minty and holiday-y. So we're calling it a vanilla mint martini. So let's start with some ice in our shaker, of course. A few cubes. Then to that, let's add some of our homemade vanilla infused vodka. I use Tito's. We like Tito's. They're good guys. They love the doggies. So let's do a couple shots of that. Look on the website. This is so easy to make. I would highly recommend making this versus buying the vanilla flavored vodka. It's kind of yucky. Then we're gonna have some peppermint schnapps for the minty flavor. Then we are going to have some white cream Godiva liqueur. Then we're gonna give it a shake. This is that leaky shaker, so we gotta be careful with that. Okay. Then I've got this super pretty, kind of frosty holiday-y glass. I've brimmed in crushed candy canes. I just use a little bit of agave syrup to make it sticky and rolled it in the candy canes. Then, let's give this a strain. This looks like something that would be very tasty to drink while sitting around a fire in the snow. Then let's add a little peppermint candy cane and give it a taste. Oh, so yummy. Definitely make this vodka and definitely make this drink. It's easy breezy.